You beautiful people, I'm so glad to be part of your learning experience, and I'm so honored to be your teacher. So let's get into 7.3, example 3. What makes these trinomials different is in some of them, the last number is negative. And we haven't encountered that yet. So far, we've worked with all numbers either being positive or just the middle number is negative and the last number is still positive. So let me show you what that looks like when the last number is negative. So we still do our two quantities, but now what we're doing is we are looking for factors of negative 18, okay? And there's a couple ways you can get that. You could have negative 1 times positive 18 or 1 times negative 18. You could have negative 2 times 9 or 2 times negative 9. You could have negative 3 times 6 or 3 times negative 6. So those are some of your factors right there. Those are all of them, all your pairings. Every single one of those will give you negative 18 when you multiply them, but only one of them, when you add them, gives you positive 7 in the middle. Okay? There's only one that gives you positive 7. There's another that gives you negative 7, but there's only one that gives you that coveted positive 7 in the middle. So if you add these up, negative 1 and 18 is 17. Nope. 1 and negative 18 is negative 17. Negative 2 plus 9 is positive 7. We found it. The rest of them don't work. That's the only one that adds up to be positive 7. So let's set our x's and then put one of those numbers in one quantity and the other one in the other quantity, and you've got it. There it is. That's the factored form of that trinomial. Okay? Let me do another one with you and see. Let's look at B. Looking for factors of negative 24. Okay? So we could have negative 1 times positive 24, 1 times negative 24. Negative 2 times 12, 2 times negative 12. Negative 3 times 8, 3 times negative 8. It's going to let me write. Negative 4 times 6 and 4 times negative 6. Okay? All of those, when you multiply them, are negative 24, but only one of them is going to add up to be negative 5. Only one of them is negative 5, and hopefully you're got your steely eyeball on that, on those pairs right there, 3 and negative 8. So we're going to break up our x squared. There it is. And then we're going to put positive 3 in one quantity, negative 8 in the other. As always, I didn't emphasize that in letter A, but definitely check them. You're in your beginning stages. I've done this for, I won't tell you how long. It would be embarrassing to tell you how long I've been doing this, but you just really, as you're learning this, check it. Make sure these numbers actually give you the signs that you're looking for. Just double, triple check it, whatever, okay? I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to knock out, these are just repeats, so don't worry about those. I'm going to knock out D, F, and G, and I'm going to do one more, and I'll leave E for extra credit for you. Okay, and I'll give you 2 points if you can show me how to factor that. Let's do C. Looking for factors of negative 15. Okay, you can do that. Remember, we got negative 1 times 15. 1 times negative 15. 2 doesn't work. Negative 3 times 5. 3 times negative 5. And 4 doesn't work. So that's really, it's a limited list. So you're good in that regard. It's very limited. And then only one of them actually adds up to be positive 2, which is that number in the middle. Which one is it? And if you circle that one, you're exactly right. So put negative 3 in one quantity and positive 5 in the other. And you have nailed it, my friends. You've got it. You've just factored that trinomial. All right, try E. I can't wait to check it tomorrow. I hope you did a great job on it.